Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I'm happy to announce that I have my hand mostly together. At least enough together that the fingers will move. So, let me show you that real quick. I still have to do the straps and all of that junk, but check it out. I mean, that is essentially first motion on this hand. I ended up having to make a complete new winder out of CNC metal. I went and proofed it on 3D printing out of the K1, and it did a wonderful job. The version of it that I got out of JLC PCB sadly was just too far out of tolerance, and I wasn't able to get it back with machining and post-processing. I spent a bunch of time on it, but you know, it was getting to the point of kind of diminishing returns. So what I have left on this hand in order to get it to where it is ready to be wearing, if you notice, the fingers don't open up all the way, so I have to adjust some of the diameters of the pulleys and some of the end stop positions. But other than that, happy to say that it's come a long way in the last week and a half. And that is awesome. I always love it when it gets to kind of this place in the development, because you know, you can really start seeing where, you know, you're going to be able to wear it pretty soon, which is, you know, that'll be awesome. I love this hand. This hand is awesome, but this hand is so much prettier than this one. And, you know, with the fingers being narrower, I get a better interlock with my fingers. I'm really excited to see how the new lock under load ends up working in daily activities in life, and how much benefit or how much dinking that it ends up being. Right now, I'm running the same spring that I do with extending the fingers, and honestly, I'm not sure that that's going to be enough, even with all the ratio difference here, that I might need to go with a heavier spring to keep these two disengaged. Now, of course, I don't have the tooling in the two triangle cleats installed in this. I haven't made them yet. Originally, I thought I was going to be able to go with triangle, CMGT, or no, TMT, TNMT, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, with a zero clearance angle. I thought I was going to be able to get that tooling in the 1/4 inch IC, and unfortunately all I can find is like 7-degree tooling, which for this just won't work for my needs. So I'll end up sticking it in a hexagonal block and then machining a triangle in the tool and cutter grinder. No biggie, just another thing that I need to do. That's about all I have for this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share my videos. Let me know what you think about my project in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
You know, just like, whatever. What's he doing? Is he getting his tail? And a power cord. Did you get it? No. I'm very stealthy. So stealthy.